Hey guys, it's Kyle. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be heading over to the woodyard to load up a face cord of firewood for my buddy Luke. Luke was able to help us out a couple weeks ago. We had a customer that needed some hickory wood. I had about a face cord laying around. However, I needed a little bit more for that customer, and Luke had an abundance of hickory laying around. So I traded Luke the hickory for some of my mixed hardwood, and now it's time to repay that favor and get Luke his wood loaded up. But in the meantime, they're calling for a snowstorm here this evening, Friday night into Saturday, and we've got to hook up the snowplow so that we can get back into our yard tomorrow. So come along with me. We're going to hook up the snowplow, and we are going to load this face cord of firewood for Luke. We'll be back with you here shortly. Well guys, we got that face cord loaded up for Luke here, and man, what a close call to putting a dent in my newer truck here. As you guys can see in the slow motion video, I was throwing and had a little bit of a short toss there, bounced off the bed, but luckily it doesn't appear like any damage to the bed. It was right about there. So we're gonna get this delivered to Luke here. Well guys, I was able to get that face cord of firewood delivered to Luke yesterday. After unloading that face cord, I hooked up to the dump trailer and loaded up a half a cord of oak and a half a cord of maple for a customer across town. Took that down to them and went back to Luke's. Luke had a little bit of a surprise hanging out at his house for me. He is an axe collector, and generally he collects more of the Australian type axes designed for chopping competitions. But he had this one working axe there that he had bought a few months back. He loved swinging it, but Luke is a taller person and the handle happened to be a little too short for his liking and tended to cause him some back pain when he was swinging the axe. So Luke offered this axe up to me for a deal that I just absolutely couldn't pass up. So I'm going to show you guys the axe here, and hopefully in the next couple videos I'll have some time swinging this axe and actually get to present some of the video to you guys. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you the axe here that I got from Luke. It is a Gransford Burke, as you can see. It's a 31-inch handle, which is going to be perfect for my height. I'm so excited to swing this axe. I almost can't handle it. I might go out later on today and chop up a couple rounds with it, but we'll see. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like and subscribe to the videos.